In today's video, we're going to talk about an important question many people in Pakistan are asking. Is BingX legal in Pakistan, and how can you use it safely? This video is going to be extremely valuable because I'm about to share something that could genuinely help improve your financial journey. We'll discuss how BingX works in Pakistan, how people are using it for crypto trading, and what you should know before getting started. But let me make one thing very clear. I'm not here to take money from you. My goal is to teach you how to learn, practice, and grow in Pakistan through smart and responsible trading. Over the next few videos, I'll be sharing trading strategies step by step, from beginner basics to advanced concepts. But there's one condition. You must stay consistent. You need to practice daily and take learning seriously. Because success doesn't happen overnight, but small efforts every single day can completely change your life over time. Now, let's talk about BingX. At the moment, BingX is considered one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges in the world. Millions of users are already using the platform because of its beginner-friendly interface, copy trading features, futures trading, spot trading, launchpads, airdrops, and access to hundreds of crypto assets. But the big question is, can you use BingX in Pakistan? The answer is yes. Many users in Pakistan are currently accessing and using BingX. However, crypto regulations in Pakistan are still evolving, which means users should always stay updated with local laws and use platforms responsibly. Creating an account on BingX is simple. You just sign up using your email and password, verify your email, and your account is ready to go. After that, you can deposit USDT, use P2P trading to buy or sell crypto in PKR, and start exploring the platform. But remember something important. Never rush into trading. First, only after that should you focus on earning. In the upcoming videos, I'll explain leverage trading, isolated margin, risk management, copy trading, and profitable trading strategies in complete detail. And one more important thing. If you truly want to survive in trading, you must control your greed, because the market rewards patience more than emotion. So if you genuinely want to learn crypto trading and online earning in Pakistan, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so you never miss any future videos.